you. Pete the Cat, I love my brand new shoes. Illustrated by
James Steen.
James Steen. One day, Pete the Cat was walking on the sidewalk with his brand new white shoes. Then he sang his song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Rock and roll. Oh no, Pete the Cat stepped into a pile of strawberries. Did Pete cry? Goodness no.
What color is it?
Goodness no. Oh no, Pete stepped into a pile of blueberries.
What color did the shoes turn?
What did his shoes turn? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. Then he sang his song. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no, he stepped into a pile of mud. Then, what color was his shoes? Brown. Then he sang his song. Did Pete cry? Goodness no.
He kept walking along.
Pete just kept singing his song. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. What's the color? Oh no. Pete stepped into a bucket of water.
All brown and blue.
Brown and blue and red.
Washed away.
Washed away. Oh, then washed away. Then what was his shoes colored again? White. But his shoes were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. Mommy, this is the thing that kept singing his song. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. No matter what your shoes are, just keep walking along and singing colors.
Because it's all good.
It's because it's all good. The end. Green, blue, yellow, red. The end. Bye. Thanks for watching. This is a really good story.